Um, Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. You are welcome to Fearless Proud Mom. Fearless Proud Mom TV. You are welcome to Fearless. This phone will be like I often. You are welcome to Fearless Proud Mom Talk Show. You are welcome to Fearless Proud Mom Talk Show. If today is your first time coming across this video, say you never follow this page. Please follow this page. It costs nothing. It's easy or better than Belgium. They wave my page. They be trying to follow this page. No, no fit. No, no fit. Because Bola enter my Bekus because of this page. No understand. Anything with Bekus for involved, you got me? So, is your birthday? Boy. As all of Nate find me, as all of Nate call my name, and they come for one by one. Any video when I come across, when I call my name, those also say rest. You rest. No, wait for me. I thank God. Say first talk as no find me, no find me. Now who find me? I go find. Yeah, I go come round all of una or round all of una. Oh, go almost to Beluwa. I not be one day. I will talk back. Someone wait for me. Is you know who are? When you lie against me, she they lie against me. Now make me say me a first repair. If you like, you senior me. If you like, you senior me, you be a day. I hear my name for your mati arrow your way. Because I'm marking your son. Please share this video, please. Invite me that Ekia of fear. Ekia of fear. No war. No, you go get a marrow. Share this video, share this video. I first share myself. Easy your good boy. Me I only me marry when we are married. We shall give me go ya marry. Me I only me marry when we are married. We shall give me go ya marry. Ni ba bola wegbe. Come here, fie kia. Or ya ba me ba bol fie kuri when ye le ravi jouer. Cause we can't see me. Mat kwalo we. Ya boni so wo na tese wo bogo lo ta wo ama. Ne no mo no kiama o makwe bie. Ima o no yes ni we ya mo no we ama. Iyo vie kia. Me a oni me bie. Ne no we ya bie. We show you me a oni me marry when we ya muju we ya marry. We show you me ni go ya marry. It time if I want to talk to Oria, make makeup. Because I don't need to waste my makeup for irrelevant people. I know how much I take to buy my makeup. Easy or better, go boy. A slave. No more call up and down. If I put like but you when it come out, can't deceive people say. No wait now. You when it come out, come brainwash our upcoming guests. Say you not go marry again. Say if your pikin never reach 18 years, you not go marry. Because say you never see money. You know the shame. Now you can't use less pass on this social media. What you want say? Then what we go Otu ni wameji not come in I dey busy. Ah, I dey live. If I dey cut your call, you know say I dey busy. I dey live video. Eh? You when it come out, come brainwash. Our women say, our upcoming guests say, make them not they marry again. Say even in your toyawu, you can't come out. Come they talk to me. Ubi ti ajo mo ya de peace square ji. We they told me we just keti. Me now accuse je keti go gbigbe agia. Share this video. Je keti ma tegele gbigbe agia. Iye keti ma gbigbe agia. Good afternoon, OJ. Diamond. You are welcome. I dey fresh something as on social media. My baby as in oh yeah, you enter my hand yesterday. No see. None of it do me anything. Oh. None of it do me anything. My grace cover now. If you not fit do me anything, I way when you walk big I can say why I will me agmo. You understand? So easy your birthday. Ogun boy. Then when they want you, they talk say, oh well, one of parents. Come. Are you talking to me or yeah? Come. If I see any bad comments here, I'll block your ass. You don't hear me? You get me? So those frustrated single mothers. For inside the single mother. May I apologize to Mama Kate or go on Bije Kate. Apologize to Mama Kate. Kate don't apologize to it through the way she insults. Eh? She don't come out to apologize to me for insulting me first. Eh? She don't come out to apologize to me for insulting me first. She don't come out. Wait, oh. Ekia's level. Daniel, you are just 32 years old and you are talking to me. 32 years old, you are talking to me. You the grace. You when they come out, go they brainwash. You they brainwash upcoming guests. I can never marry again until my daughter is 18. Because you never save money. You can't save money. You can't see one useless boy. When you senior, imagine you did 32, I be 33. You go marry a boy of 30, I be 31. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Mama, me when you are in social media, or then Latin to address in a Rudo or woman, mama. Why you be saying the most useless people where no even where their teeth they smell. Can't come and they address me. See, people when they good, they not talk about you. See, if you're Vienna, the most useless woman on social media, not be bunch away. No, they go make one. No, they go make one. Ekia slave, you know, they go get marry a small boy. What a pity. 30 years, imagine. What a pity. When you go where marry a single small boy, a small boy. When my boy ni, keke we Scott in the joy. Good afternoon, welcome. Share this video. What take a query? When my baby with Scott in the joke behind ye. Me only me mweko bie, then we am mweko bie. Umweko una nehuere. Una yawe court marriage. You can't come mad. Come they brag. My husband this, my husband that. A traditional marriage picture. We not see him. I demanded for that traditional marriage picture. Do not use shame to cash me. Now who won't give me belle? Me I carry go court. You see people, all those are duro boys so in the file paper. If I don't tell one say come marry me, me I give paper, they go they rush me. You forget country where we did. You forget the country where we did. Say now cheer me we did. You forget country where we did. Wait, hold on. We'll later when I finish, okay? You forget country where we did say now paper love country now we did. German. Before a woman find true love in German, it take by the grace of God. So when they make you go expect, say if I want marry the kind or zuo when you pick for camp, I don't know if you marry him. When they make you feel say if I want live the kind life where you live, I know me and you will not be met to. Now this YouTube before they get change and government money where they collect, me and you will not just be met at all. In any way, forget age. You the grace. You just send me they live all those fake life. When I call use my money, they package one man. Now about one motor. If I born la wegbe. Now me I want baby papa the grace. Who baby papa help? When the business come from carry one zuo. Package and buy your coats. Carry a go coat now me baby papa but say she does see ma. And this is they do that pepper day. When I look me like that. I call they live that pepper day life. If you look at all of them now when they insult me. Now people when I all those kids people for this social oh my mom and of your kids. Not because say they love the person, whether they fight for, not because of that one. Oh my mom and of your kids, now make they come for me. I go beg you by yawa. I said all of them make sure my name. Now I'm go kill all of them. Go beluwa. Oh no one know. Oh you can know as soon as they call my name in any platform. In a negative way, Oro wa mama, ogun ogbelu wa ya. Na me talking. When I can't do what you want to do. When I wave my page, you know what I say no for. I don't carry them back. They wage this page, they try to fraud this page. Because the page never know color. The other one is for positive. How what bear you wow. To new she wanted to use a pregnancy to hold him. What a nonsense. Just look me at. Did I look like all those desperate women that are born for kindergartens? Do you think I live with kindergartens? Ah, what bear you are. Ekia slave, bring out your traditional marriage, info introduction. Bring out comments. Bring your introduction picture comments. You're not ashamed. You are not ashamed of yourself. In this 21st century, imagine woman use her money to go marry man. And let her go say, Bini men, no go. Did you don't have a tuana? If you don't pay a bride price. Una movie or Bachman or ma when you see me. Ma when you see me, what hinyaya? You know carry the one when you see me, ma when you see me. You go carry woman when you see me. The cause they come man, they talk to people. Ah, what bear you wow. I man yo wa. Why you be? Or why you what we do go man kwa. What you want talk? What you want talk when you go be me? However, you get people when you go they talk, when you go affect me. Not be people like una. Ketekia no gbeo no mo bom yo we ya gbo mo gbe iro. Wa gbe o be ya tam. Ketekia ka te bom we to yan ya gbe mo. Iya gbo mo gbe iro. Ije de gbe o bai. Wa gbe o. Una de craze. Ketekia o gbe o. We change the bed of you when. Have you changed the bed of your daughter, of your children? Come o. Is Ekia slave. You say, I don't want to use belle. My belle, I won't use belle te olam. Ina so, ina dokuan. Because a mansion of Bonnie, that mansion when it builds, that hostel when it builds, now I won't put. Well, why you men or you appear for free? You look me like woman when they find picking you won't put for free. You don't be no ba never sa no je life in me. What bear you are no ya tani ki on kwa yo. Imagine mama dog by she no let attack. I hear say you work by. What's the next when I buy with boy no imagine. Person when he not strong, you go carry belly come and cut a for social media. Maybe a social media now, a fans, followers, a popularity is work by is work by a cat slave. Ah, what bear you are. That quash mestre. When you go on motor, you want to use your money to marry man. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Hey, you Benin boys, Benin men. How you tell that our Benin men, the better pass that useless Yoruba men. Man, when you marry. Ah, what baby? That one a man. I get husband. You really get husband. Why you get husband? You get the way you tell they make maths, eh? Therefore, yes, say your marriage na talk of the town. Now let picture and where all those shoes, useless shoe when you wear. Now you can do video. Now we see no reception. Now me won't do marriage where they don't see people when they come my marriage. Or in the name of I want Pepe baby papa. I want Pepe baby papa. Who baby papa? Baby papa don't buy for mommy that's all. How what bear you have a baby papa? You want Pepe baby papa? Maybe baby papa say, she don't marry. What a disgrace to my personality. Now me still they marry for less. I'll come marry because I won't marry. I'll to Pepe baby papa. Fake life, they pledge you. A lot of single mother when they marry, most of them, they marry themselves because of baby papa. You they compare me with yourself. Okay, you say I tried to. Okay, I tried to use Beleola. But you use Belete one small boy. Bele, you not try to. You not try to. You use Bele to hold one small boy. One small boy. All your kpekus, they fly up and down. Carry my kpekus come out. Your face, tell your kpekus, my own now. If my children grow, not proof to say, na me. Not proof to say, na me. Not proof to say, na me. Eh? Not proof to say, na me, but your own. Ijue. Oh, to issue already with over if you have social media. Your great grandchildren can't see your children. Now they call proud mom. Now proud mom they call. Now my name na proud mom. When my children come grow, come meet. My name na proud mom. Care slave. My name na proud mom. Yes, so I'm a mark bash, she not talk comments. My name na proud mom. You don't know say that I can carry person picture, talk anything. So I can defend my own for my children. But your own, your children, the children, go grow, come meet your bekus on social media. They'll grow, come meet them there. Then they come out, come they talk to me. When they go in the corner, you see they talk to me. Ah, why, bell. What fiawu? Idiots. When a person tell you, person not found now. Person not found now. Now they find her. I not call your name, oh. I not call you. All those idiots when they call me, say me, I leave you. The idiots when they talk, say I leave you. They not here when they call my name now. Ya go and boo and they go say they caught pregnant women. The idiot when they say leave her, she get belly. She will get belly no enter house. Who get married that when you really marry better man. Your mama don't go buy for juju ass. Or 2 months of juju don't buy your mama. Do not talk comment. Si you fear you. Do not talk comment. Because you always use your papa, say your papa na okbias. You always talk say your papa na okbias. Or they are because anybody when you carry my name to native doctor, he go in no return. What bear you are. People they talk. I want to come and analyze. Oh yes, logo. I don't get belly before now. See, as soon as 2 you want your bones, you be like who want born 5. Oh yeah, logo. You don't know. You don't even look like who the husband, my husband this, my husband that. Since you marry, you never package this idiot rich when you call husband. You never close down your useless government house when you go park meter for the house when you say you get. If woman marry, go house my house. Who know man when you go house go come meet your wife. But you now mad to take the marry big boy. Mad to take the marry big boy. People when they really marry big boy, they get belly, they talk, they grace for social media. People when they marry big boy, go they marry big boy. For your man, you marry big boy. When I'm not the package for all those single mothers, when it be say they'll see men, when it be say you like them, they don't like carry because of my lies. Go and get a life. Go and get a life. May you get shame. Ah, what bear you are. You still they come myself, they want just belly, just belly, belly, person you not get ballet. Now, me, I won't benefits. When it be saying, I'm me, I can't just belly, person when I won't help. Ah, you look me like who they carry belly. No manner. She married, she did her house. And she always they talk, say, she married big boy, she not they settle for less. Marriage, when person not see, who see the marriage, now see the marriage. They come here, come they deceive. If they deceive you now. If you not get any man, when they say they manage, you not marry her. Now, so say, if I shall want marry, you will not say a big boy marry. Me or marry big boy, or come, how they use belly, when you be say to, no, don't be surprised. Now, YouTube, in a live video, you're born, you're for labor for all you. Labor. Now, live video, labor will hold you. You know the rest. You know the shame. Benin boy is not good, Benin boy is not good. You use your money to go marry Yoruba man. When you see, when you call see senior, God forbid. Yeah, marry man when I senior, I get grace. I know if you marry man when I senior, I forbid them. Yeah, come marry man when I senior. They will come break. Oh, I want a great time. As I stop on rich, I want a great time. I feel great time for the beginning. In the next 6 months, if you talk to me, say it's too short, I'll let her remind her, say, we be me, I begged. Come marry man when I senior. If they don't do, yeah, do a kinoku no kune. Hold on. Yeah, to a kinokune, they'll call their advice people. Yeah, to a kinokune, they don't carry bad market. They'll come out, they motivate. Come they use math, they strengthen your zuo. They strengthen your zuo. They use math, they hire. Wagbo. Oh, I won't deceive. What I don't see. I don't come across one friend. This my girlfriend. And she helped me this boy. She just meet this boy. Ha! Now me you won't deceive. Eh? Not be smarting, oh. That one. And I mean, what is, I don't get one friend when you meet this boy. Ah, my this boy, she get one of one song. If it be Zaragoza, I know what they talk about. Hey, this is my boyfriend. That time would be that good friend. As I found out, I fake. Even the fake marriage what she do, money when she borrow me to do the marriage, she never pay me to take give a channel because she ain't what they manage. You don't understand? You don't meet this boy, they give me fair. I call the jealous. So the way this guy present. Now this boy, oh, now they take care of me, take care of my only son, oh. Ah, big boy, papa na this, mama na this. Now so that they send money from Nigeria, go give this guy. This guy can't go do it, I can walk. They do also take marry herself. They can't go Nigeria, go do introduction. After introduction, Belle enter. Belle can't take 6 months, they can't do marriage. They do marriage 1 month. Belle can't take 7 months. 1 month, he with this boy, they fight, so fights. And so he lock this boy for prison. She can't go remove 7 months pregnancy. Everything when they do right, all of the couple saying that she use her money to marry him. Because she don't first born, she don't want they make mistake again. She can't go remove the belly. If na me, I go born her, he pure. So now they keep person. 7 months pregnancy, you buy you cause they talk to single mother. Woman, what if you abort 7 months pregnancy? 7 months. They insult single mother. Are you not a murderer? Eh? Are you not a murderer? So now people like that, what if we don't experience our guests' hands? I get almost 5 stories. I get almost 5 stories of guests when I don't come across. This one first born one for Ibo, I not call your name. He born one for Ibo, he born for Itaki. As he meet the 3rd man, she can't get below that 1 month, he not the man. The man, first say the man a very good man. She use her money to go marry the man. Make shame not come. But they are still happily married. But now, she not make math, she not make maths. But if na some guys they'll come they brag. Now he marry me. Now he marry me. Now he marry me. Now he marry me. One they use una money they marry man. You know how many story I know. I be guy woman. I know life oh. Not be me when I want brainwash oh. I know more than 10 girls. I make friends now. As I go see as all those girls in a package, I run. And she don't marry now. She marry. Me as I did so I don't like to you. I'm not your man. I never marry. You don't understand? I never marry and I'm a better person. You know how many fake friends when I don't come across? Fake! They use their money to the marry man. To 3 months, quarter go bust. What did they do? Right? All of them go open. Now me a queen. You feel deceive all those your stupid followers. Not me. When I don't see you, I tire. If you see any most of single mothers, if you see the kind of marriage where a queen do, now 1 person marriage, now a queen do one. Marriage where 2 people do, you go carry weight, you go still try. We not there now. We not there. We not there. Marriage, at least, and I can't do that marriage. And the marriage what she do now, paper marriage, paper, ebe, paper. Now you beg boy, now you beg use belete or small boy because of documents. Now you see how they talk to me. Why you be saying what you wanna do now the things and everybody they do? Why? Because you use belete or small boy because you can't carry and go court, may you go register because of paper. You feel saying I'm waiting, I won't do be that. When you come mad, come they talk rubbish. I don't blame you. Because now what you do now, but most people when they talk for this matter, for this social media, if you look the rand, just check the rand. There are nobody, none of the girl life, apart from the one we talk positive life. Man will be saying not get anything. You don't be saying get balance when I want hold belly, use belly all and put. And she won't constantly talk. She say, I can't accuse Kate, mama say she do okpo. Come swear, tell Kate me go bring juju paper say mama not do okpo. She still use her mouth come out on public say now all women they do okpo. Kate mama not do okpo. People when they say me I beg Kate mama go on below. Now go cure all of una. As soon as they talk and say me I beg Kate mama, now go on cure all of una. Unless when I first go take Kate, may come beg me. If not, when I not tell her me come beg me for insulting me first. He Kate DNA out and he no. He why can not love you me. Or go below one nota. Or go the queue now. I beg anybody wanna not say that he talk that word for a platform. Share this video to him boss. Me see I say I cuss out or go on boy. Cause not be all video they watch. Or go the queue. As soon as they talk, I say me I go beg a shower. I go beg a shower. When he be saying she dead there when her mama he became the grace. She not call her picking and task. Me I go beg a shower. Ashawo wa gbeo en wayata. So na take date meet you gun kill all of una. Ekia slave. I know say you not support who you think say you dey support o. Na the cause when I cause ketekia no oje gbeo. Let me keep on the talk all those ones. Because I don't first curse you. Imagine person I don't first insult. She will come mad before they talk good of me. I'll go beg you why ya koni. I mean I will name because now I not say now we name as they describe her. Now so now we be. Because if you know hey no mele, I not see any reason why actually judge bad judge for all in the name of owo mama. I'll go beg you. I will not fear ban. Have a shower we no kai. Una be a shower. All the women when it's support them. Una be a shower as na shower na be the shower when you the cause. Now make una support them. Have a shower. Share this video. I will beg you why yawa. Why ya kayo cannot DM me or not judge against me. Can mean ti ogun ogbelu waya. So ogun ogbelu waya. All of them. As they take showing one side or in the name of hatred. Ogun cannot DM me wow. Kijo mamoro waya ogun ogbelu waya. So, hey, bloggers, if you don't carry this, you don't want to go watch people when they judge against me. I'm not going to add their picture, trying to make them see and say, I know they fear them. Fearless Proud Mom talk show. Now, I pay for this page. Una the grace. Una the grace. Una the mad. All those they say. They know war. No manner. A slave. You don't know how many years you do a shower work. You don't know how many years you do for Italy. You all your money. You know the shame. How can a shower be bragging that I'm not builders? Are you not ashamed? What shower ba? What shower ba? Don't you know that you are the most cheapest a shower? She not builders. She said she not scatter person yes. She not builders. I go do a shower not builders. I go do a shower for one madam. Call Europe. Call serve black boy and not builders. And you they brag. For your mind, you they motivate. You are stupid. God punish you, punish people when they listen to you. God punish you. Idiots. Well, you are motivating. You they motivate. Imagine, you they brag. And you not build for Africa, you not buy for abroad. And you call Europe. You call Europe. You do a shower, do for Italy. You go UK, you do. So tell you can they do house igbiagia. And those also they do for internet. You can they do house igbiagia. What they do for internet. And you are bragging. Cheapest a shower. That one not rich. You not rich. Can they do blue film on social media. Now you be the cheapest a shower when I come across. You bear for Italy. You bear for UK. You bear on life. You not build us. You not buy house or abroad. And you they talk to boss lady. Ogun Owara. Wan gbeo. You to bashawo. Ima bowa. You to agun. Ma bit no wonder you go carry Yoruba. You choose where, my sister. Which Benin woman go carry that way what bekus. Public bekus. Without 2 flats. Come on 2 flats or self-contained no comments. And you are talking. You they talk. Which Benin men go carry? Which Benin men, if you want carry a shower with class. Beyond those, the most useless people so far, that be a kia queen. The most useless people so far, that be a kia kita slave. The most useless people so far. So nobody go move down yagmo. Now my people's limit to this page. At least I achieve for inside. Are you the mad? What you don't use your people stay achieve? I achieve page. I achieve 2,600. I understand Jera. Wow, what bear you are. People still use and still know me. People still use and still know me. No, not call me. Let me call on you. Because I go more the office and they fear them. When I look like my eye, like, share this video, please. When I look like who the fear person, if I see who the fear person, I know they know her. If I see who the fear person, I know they know her. I know they fear any of you now. Yeah, I rather buy on him social media now. No, ni say si me error. If I see who they crazy, now know man. Thank God I don't finish. I know the fair husband. If you say my husband, my character not suit you, I know they beg you. I know they beg. They crazy. Who house my help? I know say help. I say, "Kiak with foolish rich, not be idiot put up for us." Talk less of me. My kpekus never come at my mouth at a talk. Na mouth, na their dirty poor mouth. Where they do a shower. Then na fabric they won't cook that put so. And then even if I'm not worked, I die. Oje you me. Cause wajet that boy if you want it. Wajet that boy if you want it. Cheapest prostitute so fast talking to me. Eh? If I like I walk till I die, I'm not gonna suffer. But now kpekus, the most cheapest kpekus now I get. The most cheapest kpekus. Imagine, look at all of them that is talking to me. Ni guys je tag me have you hand a black boy ne. Ni useless ne black boy useless ne. Ni bashago without no better achievement. You people are talking to me. How what beg you wayawa? Waya cannot say cannot look back. Ogbere momi jorele momi Monica de ni ken retoto fo ni ken wa ya agbe o ni feedback go mebo o ni maniro la iwo the positive one la iwo the negative one go ogbelu wa ya wa worry ya nyari ya have cheapest obiagia no gbigbi agia without no saving 10k for inside how wa be you wa who wa afia in fabrica for na medal and they work for passion. Comparison, you must work for passion. If you arrange your life well, you need to work for passion. If you arrange your life well, you need to work for passion. You need to work for passion. Must everybody work for passion? How much be passion? Eh? They come out, come they talk. All those people, imagine some useless single mothers come and say, I they bring shame to single mother. Imagine the nonsense. Good afternoon, my dear. You are welcome. Imagine cheapest single mother when they just give their children medicine, go to a shower for nights. When their husband they drive to a shower, they come and say, I they disgrace una. Una feel good. Una feel good. Una good. No, not the husband ass. Una feels good. No, not the husband ass. Now me portion of I don't meet who una say I not supposed to meet. When I take a money for una husband before una come out for husband ass. Me can't say me I don't know before I come out on a house. Imagine single mother say they break them down. Ah, what pay you wayawa. Single mother when you make us round for social media. Wa magbe wa where you bring una dance a woman as a dog woman. Now who the judge use my talk to? Like pekus una not see am. I not go to Duvaka for internet. Wa munya wa pay you wayawa. Share this video to the aproko while you am video now. Make them know say I'm not the fear now. Everything on the talk, I'm not the hear now. You know the figure tell me. Now today, to become a my day job. When I don't call this social media, I don't see as soon I don't use a lot of people to drop even their children. They never buy. Now I call saying that me uncle affects. If you not reason now the craze. If you not reason now the craze. Nothing when I go talk when they go make me shame. Me shame. First tell us you cannot shame the shameless. I tell her, I say, una cannot shame the shameless. Una they mad. A cat slave, no you hey. A cat slave not get mama. A cat slave not get mama. Yeah, maybe na buy mama so. Maybe mama never see at make when it take social media. Maybe now mama comes later see when it take by her. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. Maybe now the purpose of cat slave when he see for as he mama de. No wonder she not talk come and say mama buy. No wonder because apart imagine between the buy mama with her purpose. Which mama go survive that kind of life? Which a responsible mother go survive that those purpose when they fly up on time? A cat queen don't use a word like take by mama. A cat slave. You don't use your word like take by your mama. Your mama now your mama see all the rubbish you do on social media. Now you buy her heart attack or bijou. How what bear you are? Mama no ya lagwa. No ya beer. What? Then you go no go bozo eji. Now juju they spend and put see now make una not they grow. Or juju too much of a juju. Too much of a juju. Eh? Too much of a juju. See my hand. They are wish they be carrying a weird shit. They go over past them. I dey fried meat yesterday. Oh yeah, enter my hand with their wish. I know so enough to do me anything. Who wa pop be kwa kekan. Who wa was try kekan. Now just do one. Now go let's spend. Let's give me your bow. Now make me do what I am today. No, I not call Europe all those guys. As soon as do the juju rich. None of na rich one of my leg. Me, I know they do juju. I not believe. I know they do. I what bet you are way Bible never finish. You know the craze. See all of them. They talk. Hey, he love this person. He loved it. Now he fetching me. Make a wake out there. And I made a diamond or special. That mean if I can't be saying I can't love when it be upon the big bola when I don't do. Meaning now juju. Now juju be that. Not be a juju be that. It can make maybe now juju be that. You know catch me. Thank God say you know hold me. You know understand? The juju no hold me. Ah what be you what be you talk. She love her. She do this. When you love just like that. When you say love. Or not be person I born for. As when I talk. Not be person I born for. When you be saying that you come special. If I can live who I born for. Now you. I can't love her. Now the love can make me the grace. How I believe people. I'm not to blame when a lot of una permanent when my mama forgive una to sponsor her. Why go and say? Why when say? Have you be a girl going? Have you my no? Have you learned eternity? When I come to Europe, I cannot even be able to read. I cannot read, I cannot write. But I learn everything on YouTube. Nonsense. When we are at school, I just go online. I go online. I really trade. I mean, when I only camera, yo, boy, I take go. When I take on a time, I take on a time. I just take on a time. I was sheep a shower. Imagine, I had the dead down. Ni gbe aṣawo for 10 years. Ime ma gba aṣawo. Inu ya ya ta. When me ya make aṣawo me aṣawo ya make. Ima gba aṣawo. E ka ma tu we me. We ya nu ebe nu me ri kan e. Wa ya nu ese. O ri kan. O ko ne kan ye bi ana. O sa ze. Agwa be you wa. Agwa we ya ni wari e we bo. According to all women when you come abroad, when you go stay road, now all of them just do aṣawo. Wanna go ask people when you stay road work. No way. And Spain, anywhere for the country. People when they stay road work, they always stay that road work. Bola no they enter their bekus. Bola no they enter their bekus. Now lap that they put on. Ah, what pay you wow. So they when they be saying that back they back thief. Now they go the thief. Idiots. Lunatic people. Illiterate people. All women when you come abroad, all of them are shower. No, not be Benin people. Not be all. The illiterate one for inside, they know. The illiterates. Imagine all women when you come abroad, all of them I can do a shower for now. Because now shower to a shower now they follow. Why not go use a shower to look at? I bet say be a shower now na do for the abroad on a day. The abroad on a day. Now a shower na come do na feast and everybody come they do. One of the use on a sister I think they rate all women now. Why what you why ya rate ko ya? Do that what you why be agiano? Issue why be agiano wa fi we ko ya. Waga imare igbe akia yowa o mi we ikoya igbe akia no iwo wo kun waga ye petepete o mi iwi ikoya ye petepete. Which responsible woman go dey support all those people when they describe their fellow woman pe kusi na bola wa ya igbe ni na be kola ni ohuwa wa ohuwa neni wa bola ni na be kola ave shawo kola no wonder e kola ge ashawo yaki so when o jawo wa ya ma Yashawo. Yashawo. So, ashawo kola ni tie. Wa ja wo ya ki ko ya ni wa wori ya ba gbon. Abi ko ni roboto no he. Me roboto. You understand? Abi ko ni roboto no he. Abi ko ni roboto no he. No more the story what have a platform again on a story na bekus. Cause on one, you wafone. The color any na bekus. The bekus na they describe. Ah, what pay you wawa? Ama wuno be agmo. Then me run and tell me kwa agmo. In a mo, in a nia. It will go to a wuya mok bia. Ah, what pay you wawa? Am I biok biani? Am I biok biani? Lena ye go for lesson. E boro, beta o ibode. Ah, we me mwekbe bonu wamu. Oibode Uwama. Fa won't marry, so I won't even marry, so I feel like marry. How the most useless people on this social media not be able some of them marry. Eh, you must your major. I know marry Igbo. If you come to worst, because all those poor fatties life, me I don't feel live. Be a Johnny mama. If you want even enjoy marriage, self marry Igbo. Not talk so Igbo. If you live for Igbo, say you want to go marry that you end up single mother. They sweet for the first 1 year. Adamu. Now few men head correct for this approach. So good believe me still there. I mean they talk not be all useless. Talk say I not be shentro. I not be shentro. What take go agbe shentro? Go agbe shentro easy na agbe. Or easy. She be one just pikin te ola. Una not talk say be one just money ola. Real men they pay them to give them bread to make them belle. Rich and top boys. If you not give them money, they not they give you belle. So why can't be say I want just belle te ola? Now yes I be agan. He tell una say I be agan. He tell una say I defend paper. So he tell una say na ele igbola adotu. No many igbola adotu will be say I not just pikin te o ten or na yon special. He shows you how you take special. What in the Kia? What in the Kia? What in the Kia? Can I measure a webo? I mean, I don't I know if you go to describe mark, make bola for here. Me more than no verse. If I tell her say ye twin, if you know that me tell when ye twin, now he first come out because they talk rubbish. Why not go talk? Why not go talk? Why me not go talk? Now only you want good to talk. Now only you want good to talk. Abi? So now they talk and say na me go shame. Me go shame. Who was war? Some people just they talk out of point. If they say that the woman go shame, who said so? Who said so? Say na me go shame. Hell, okay, damn wapu. Why una reason that? Say that the woman go shame. And they hear them. But some people they talk and they hear some call and say that the man go shame. How the woman want to shame? What you make una think so? What do you want to wear you? What you make una think say that woman go shame? Una look when I go get shame. The day when my mama born me, I need to ask my mama question. She need to deal with shame day. Because me, I'm a shameless woman. How bet you wawa? When the woman go shame. Shame for what? Say I test. And money pass and come out. Shame. Iku wake mune. Have you quick be a gia? Then metal wakai. Have you be a gabu and la balaba? Now you talk, I'm not me talk. Who want to call again? Or ye la balaba? Have you be a gia? Now they miss shame. For waiting. Is your better go on bijoué. For calling my name at all. Or go on bijoué. What bell? For saying that, all the rubbish that you said, go on bijoué. Or bijoué, bijé kate. We now accuse you kate of big agya. When a kate yari bebore, you magele big agama. When a prove a kate, you don't prove it to the work, you magele. We may not lie indication where or woni or here. Oh, here. You get big agya. I have social media. I'm very sure. I believe. Because a kate can be matter charging me a tie. A kate in Latin, we a the suppose no bashawo. She cleared the hell. You think I'm a fool? Now only fools go they believe what in that how they talk. He have to defend himself. How me want a shame? I don't born me, I don't get children. My way never marry. Now suppose shame. My way never or my be bamo. Even the women when you wanna say women plenty, they have your baba boom. Your baba boom. I bet forget Africa. Who Africa help? We got culture. And the culture, go see in a country where culture day. Forget Africa where culture day. I have any help me to ni pouvoir, any magba. They're not the think where. See Oyibo. They go say, see Oyibo. Oyibo, see Oyibo life. Where you not get culture. They won't use their life to compare on our life. Erosion, Pota country. You won't use their life, they compare on a life. See how Igbo, I go, they talk culture. To say I see one better thing when a culture they produce. I go don't say, I go, na woman supposed to get chem as a African traditional woman. I told you I was not raised up enough in a traditional home. My dad was a Christian. If you don't want, I'll post the picture. When I've seen a Bible, now my papa a hole for picture. You know, I was not brought up in a traditional home. So, all those ones say they like me. I'm not a traditional woman. I they live like Oyibo. I think like Oyibo. I do things like Oyibo. I want to be tradition. I want to be tradition. My dad was a Christian. I know same ways if you want to be Uronigbe. Same ways, Uronigbe people, I beg, if you want to come across this video. Same ways for garage. Now, not say if person get level for the church. Now, inside the cemetery, inside that church, they put them. Now, then my papa, they bury my papa put. As he get house rich, he get land from GRA before he die for ETT. For ETT. Now, my papa get land for GRA before he die 100 by 100. He get house for Worry. He get the most beautiful house in Idwolo for Idwe before he die. They're not they buried there for their house. If you be real Ronigbe, you know that same ways for garage. You know, not say they are members when you get level. Now they are inside the cemetery, inside that building that they buried the boots. So my dad was buried in Semwes cemetery. He was not buried at home. I was 10 years when I joined choir. 10 years. When I go ask, I was brought up in a Christian home. 10 years now. They have never for 9 years when I did choir, all those white garments now they wear. Go ask. I'm not a lie. I'm not a wayward family. Ma kek bedare, bedan wakere anyway. Yahu wagene have a shower. Not be me call na shower. Not they call my fellow ma shower. He say he call us when the other women when they call him na shower. I dey one and so na they call now na bekus they describe. So mona not just now wayward life they will look me oh. I not come from family na nagbokpa. My papa no kifa one day oh. For my streets for Idwolo. When my papa old, now he won't take out. Now your deal where they reach it on. He not carry because he was a Christian. Are you mad? Now me cannot tell you go do when you go affect me because we are not believe. When I go Nigeria, one idiot carry me go native doctor. I know one boy carry me go native doctor say you need to work for yourself. When I reach there, you know what the man tell me? You don't look me at Toto. You know what he tell me? Now there I know say the man they work. He said you know the kind of way you take the look us. I said no sir. He said, you just look or say with the grace. And maybe this one has work finish. May I come up for a year. That's what the man tell me. That's what the man tell me. And true now, what did you tell my mind? Now that I know say the man really knows something. Say, and for your mind now, it will be what is this? Then as one, yeah, I was when it was and true. That was my thoughts. Who would you help? If I see all of you now, when you get this social media, no say any zero. So I want to believe so you do help now. One of the point of contact, me I go no say yes in the work. As when I come abroad, all of the way they do their mama, they run up and down juju, because they feel say now they do. So they deport all of them. Me. I said, when I don't get paper every day, police go home me today, they'll leave me tomorrow, home me today, they'll leave me tomorrow, home me today, they'll leave me tomorrow. All of them, they deport all of them around me. And my mom measure why? Because I was not raised up like that. But the Mugumen winner. Nonsense, they talk. The people when I will reply, now the one when I hate pass. When the be saying that their body is full, now they cause they talk to me. Who are well? My father is not a pagan. My mother is not a pagan. I was properly raised. Okay? I'm a very deep, when no family. Ile, Uronigbe. I'm a family rore. I'm a family like Patakpiti. Not the mad. Not the grace. Not the mad. I know the heights. When I carry my name go give government. Not the grace. When I know as I take this Deutschland. Nobody know as I take this Deutschland. Not the grace. These are the fear owner. Me fear owner. As I was rich. We someone will pass me here. I'll be coming. I will be back by Bienny. It big me idea like men. Now, boom. Someone know the reason my matter. Not but I talk and say, the man not the shame, say, a woman the shame. Why when I call the believe say, go affect my messed children. Not but I talk. Why I buy work, be a very character, why not be a level, why not muya yaria. He are not make by and war race. He yak Tony Koya to single mother. Who do need a done warrior near. No, I encourage you to be useless. Wana itawe, wa memeko mit mebele. Men, boys. Na the grace. Na the talk. Ni biasha wo we kwi mekwa. Na the pity about your children. Na leave my children out of your mess so. Now they talk say because of your children. What do my children do? Now Africa, my children know they think Africa. Africa. No. When I turn in the they go only go for visits. It's not because of the coronavirus. Suppose even go last year or summer. We just come back last year February. Suppose go back summer. Wow. How many of you don't carry on children go Africa? Why we are going? Me when be single mother, my children don't go Africa. Then when I don't pass through, if I pass through, when I don't get documents for this country. When I don't get documents for this country. And the grace. These are there those on backwardness. Ni Fiona. Go ask of me, oh. Let me run it, can say that if you talk to my sister alone, stand if I pass your outside as I'll come out for back. Not be me you talk to, my sister. Less of me. I'll come fear you. Go ask. If you don't know me for Ronigbe, if you don't know me for Nigeria, they'll tell me, I say that girl, back banya. I'll go pay you. Maybe I make me never marry. Not the grace. Not try me, oh. Not try me. So why I beluwa football and not try me. I'm not the fear owner. I just be like said I'm having mon abisu beni eli manger. I try ma. What bewa. Not the mad. I'm not so they will put phone for grand all those way words single mother no gwale no la lo he do I call you. I don't need call. I not the pick call. I see people they call me since I not pick. Or I only call sooner. And the mad. Now we be so na born throw away. Una children go carry belle. Me they not say una pikin carry belle. Una go give the man money. Me take marry the una pikin. Una come at all of una they talk to me. I beg Benjamin, I'm sorry. Now why you see or when I come across when they talk to me? As they say outside our single mother they marry themselves. Most of the day when they do social media when you see they talk to me, their children are they marry man for them. This is to marry these days they had. How much for marriage? You got the money when I give kids to them, they take bad bed. You know, this me to give man to go marry me. And the grace. Now when you marry, they happy. When I sure say they okay for the marriage. When I sure say they okay for the marriage. Hey, slave, are you okay in that marriage? Are you okay in that marriage? Are you mad? Come on, take your time, oh. Hey, slave. Ekita slave. Ekita slave. Take your time. No more, I know your thing. Say, I not talk to una. Say, I dey fear una, oh. I not reason now. I not reason now. I not the pick up. I not reason my matter, oh. Me fear person. I break okay with if I back tomorrow, and at least I don't make name. You don't understand? I get children. And the mad. Not try me, oh. I will try me. I will temper me. I said, boy, I'll curse you. Try me, oh. You're quiet, and I feel say I be fool. Imagine that one we made leg. But you have a check with me on his year. What was my armor? May I show you my pregnancy pictures? Come me furu. They talk to me. I what bear you are. Shameless woman, kita. I see, I get 3 type of video. Only for the to vagga. Good afternoon, happy. Jeffrey, you are welcome to the beauty. Please share this video as you come in. I get 3 of your video. Only for the vagga. Do not think about your children. They not talk about your daughter. Now me that they talk about. When it be say, my name not be proud mom. My name, your real name, not the Facebook, not the take the attachment. My, not be even my real name, they anything. Now they talk to me. You when you supposed to say, you when your purpose, your mama buy because of your wayward life. You use your wayward life to buy your mama. Now only you want the things so you don't do me, I never do. Me don't come out of public to break egg for people, children. I don't come out of public to break it for people, children. I don't come out of public to break it on people, children. No, may God not let me still do such. Now we don't live bad life. When people don't know for bad things, they come out to address me. I want bear you wayawa. Before now address me, wanna be like me. One of the reason mature the way the reason. You don't understand. Me na mad I tell they talk here. Why not do a kia? If I not do a kia, na make us go do. If I not do a kia, na make us go do. Wait to say I do a kia, people just they cry. I do a kia. When they craze, before I do that a kia, my skin don't the door. Since I do that a kia, my skin come out. You don't know say if you not do a kia, you not do a kia. Cream not they work for skin, but they mad. Sometimes it's good to change oil. What's it change? Mad. Say I do a kia. I not fornicate. Woman when her husband go work, she carry man come with money to the vaga. When I not sit down one, na me we not the husband ass. Who are warrior? When are they mad? What you know they talk at that one point? Even the useless callers and the hosts. Who are bell? Who are bell? The useless caller and the she lost her mama because her mama all those makers when he put for social media before. Her mama no see him. As her mama see him, her mama buy. She ain't not let her talk comments. She not talk. Her mama don't buy. Her mama don't buy. She not talk comments. Which responsible mama go they happy when her picking the heart blue for the world? You buy shower with Italy, you don't use abuters. You do a shower for UK, you don't use abuters. You come internet to do a shower. They don't see all those ones. So now because I just test. Now that one I see. What beg you why now that one I see. All the single mother when the husband they drop for Asha wars, they say they talk to me now. They say they disgrace single mother. You get pride, then you come up for husband ass. What can me pride? Na me come on for husband. Na me come on for husband. Uno bije. Ekia queens uno bije. Ekia queens uno bije. Ekia queen dog bear mama. Ekia queen dog bear mama because of blue film. Deaf spirits. I won't make her fast. And she marry big man. Or the only woman when you use a money to marry man without no traditional marriage. No reception. What bear you are. You look me like woman when you won't do marriage. If you make me vex, I'll go look for one idiot give me let me marry him. If I bring 5K come out, the marriage go be talking time or 10K self. I know even borrow. I know come on media say borrow me. 10K go be talking time. I know proof me when I can't live the kind of useless life when I live. I'm not going to do it in Jesus' name. I'll go book behind you. Now idiot I won't marry. When I use my money to marry. The grace. For your mind now, so now they look me now and I call. I know say a lot of them will see impress me today. Say, oh, she go marry me. I want me to do my. Come on, I'm not the marry ma. I'm not trying out. I'm not the marry ma. I'm not use my money to the marry ma. I'm not be easy or better or I'm not trying. I'm not trying. Cause the reason now. Okay, the reason now. Say as I just talk, I'll come marry you. Maybe I use my money to marry white idiots. I'll beat you, eh? Can't beat you now, they beat you. I know they do anything. I live video, they stay 24 hours like easy, they do. And so if you use your money to marry, now the man they cook, now the man they clean, and the man they do everything. I'll do live video. As easy they do. So you not hear for live video say, since you were married now, house man they do everything now. You not hear them. So if you know say you want to talk to my boy, like the Ozuo where a care slave marry, he boss me. I'll marry you, talk to my house with a clear ass. Wow, they live video. Yes. If you want to talk to boy, inbox me. I'll tell live video. Why you go to cook? You go to cook. I say can't slave talk. He says since I'm married, my husband don't allow me to cook. My husband, why you go allow you to cook? Money when you borrow to do marriage, you go me on YouTube. In they do the cooking, why they do the money making? I want pay you by vow. Yes. If they do the cooking, why you they do the money making? Now say it be. So if you not say your feed the cook, they clean my house, they bath my children, they carry go school. As easy slave husband they do. He boss me, I go use my money marry you. You don't understand? I go use my money marry you. A kita slave, okay. A kita slave. A kita slave. The most useless girl from Essen. That's when you come do blue film. Una not deny and say no bibini. Now me when you come talk, I don't enjoy myself. Clean shop at climats. I can't say me I still come out of media, me I still famous. Now call the cry put. I what bear you wayawa. The grace, all of you now when you talk to me, oh, all of you now so now they talk to me. Why yeah? Yeah? I just say, have fun. I'm not even spend though. I'm not just my money, Mariamo. Ha! Oh, wazua. And I can't make you away. And I can't make you away. I do. I not spend. He goes to carry me open page for me. He give me 2,600 euro. But buy you say not me say how much they spend for woman rich. Now me win. How una say me I make you guys for me before una no say he spend put. No come see come men na the boga mo men na ya. My love you try. Na ma you be. Na ma you be. You try oh. Who say you not try? Na God go punish am. I appreciate am oh. As you do and rich, you try. The popularity wanna give me through him. No, you know what to bump put? You know what to bump put? Matesa na PhD, tell one now be when go. And now we do 2005 buy. I want baby wow. Yeah, no, that fee, and all you're walking out like walking my PhD, no, ya carry a latter. May PhD carry me like a special set. What then, yeah? When I've been known me before. Not be true him. Now say not try. No waga gam you can. Who waga gam you can? Why you why but my love you can? Who waga gam you can? In my complaint, oh my ya. He try. He try. My love, you try. My God go bless you. Most of them before they open page for their wife, they don't burn 2, 3, 4, 5. You try. You give me the popularity. Go see my new page, Proud Mom Gist TV. 9,000 followers. 6,000 like. 6,000 like. Just 2 weeks. Are you crazy? This page, so it's going to 4,000, 3,000 plus. Now they say you don't try. You don't try. Go check my YouTube. For Ketekia Loguagbe, she keep my YouTube. Of almost 6,000 subscribers, 5,600. Go see the new one where they operate. So, get into 5,000. Popularity, yes or no? Who want in there? Go into 5,000. You can't hear me. My new page. My new YouTube. Go and check me out on YouTube. For not to come and say a guy, big guy woman. When they come and say, she's too cheap. She's too cheap. Go and check Proud Mom Gist TV. 1. Go and check it. 9,000 followers. 9,000. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. My love, Frank, my love, you have been on YouTube, Facebook for more than 4 years. You still have 13,000. You still have 13 for 4 years. Me, 2 weeks. My Bekus is an expensive Bekus. What are you saying? What are you saying? Oh, not to come and say that girl and that woman, she wise, she's happy. Now they come and say she was a sheep. She's a cry for Bola. Now Bola she dey cry put. Now Bola she dey cry put. Wow, well, share this video. You call the call for me. No, I can't receive sense. Eh? See the worry on. They come and they talk to me. When they talk, say I try. Now, don't know how many calls my children receive before I get to 300 followers. If you don't know how many insults for how many years as soon as those strong or rich. When I get them, go and check me out. Check the view when they follow any video when I do. If I draw video now, newcomer, I be newcomer. Sometimes my video they carry 10K, sometimes 12K, 12 times 3. The lowest video where I not get 1,000 plus. Now say not try. Am I here? Until you kill yourself for me before you try. I don't need the heads. You try. Even though that the money when they help me collect for YouTube, and this page when you open for me, popularity when you give me, who hair and sunny, I want pay you wow. You don't try. Go to my Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Me go check me out first before you come and come talk. Check this one. I get 2 pages for 1 person head. For 1 person head. I did not try. You not try. The girlfriend when they carry the waka, you don't see. You don't the build page for a girlfriend more than 3 years. Me, when you just get for two weeks, go see me there. Even him, I popular pass him now. If I can get almost 9K for 2 weeks, he when he did for 4 years, he still did 13K followers. Who they win? Who they lead? Who leads? He has been on page for 4 years, 13,000 followers. Have been on page for just 2 weeks with 9,000 followers. Who they lead? Who lead? Who lead now? Who they lead? So, my love, you try. I appreciate you. You know that I appreciate you. I appreciate your efforts. Now, man, you be. All my running the people, all those people, if you see me for WhatsApp, I be like celebrity. Come to my WhatsApp, you say I popular pass you. A lot of people who don't know me before, who don't know say I be running, all of them can't recognize me. Now say me I be not come, I can't reply. So I don't reply, they want to know me. And one person just they use it they make money, how quiet. Say I be decent girl. I mean I for marry, I be woman now. Maybe I for marry because I tell when I say the husband, he go a lot door, ya go a lot doors go a lot. Man, when you know say I be social media person, no need to, you know say go take me for who I am. If you don't go close to person, they know as it be. If you know say you love me, come close to me. I'm not the kind of person when I be. He talk for a present, say, I'm very good. He talk go and watch his video. If you come close to me, I'm a happy woman. Okay? I'm a very happy woman. Okay? So don't look my attitude here. If you look and you know get up. If you look me for media, no, you come close to me. Oh. Don't see my character here. Oh. A kia slave, no ye banwa, na ya you head, but back with any second Frankie high. Ajemu. 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 My love, you try. Now, ma you be. Even though not so you're rich, you don't try for me. Oh. Very soon, now my Proud Mom Gist TV it will be monetized in the next 1 week or 3 days. Nobody now, a Ikea slave, a Kita slave, the Zuzuo. Yeah, they do every reference. Now she the Zuo. Now she the Zuo. Now she the Zuo. Zuo. The Ikea slave, a Kita slave. Also, she supposed maybe Benin people push her come up for Benin for the rubbish she don't bring to a Benin people. They're not the sit down one. They're not seeing. They talk to me. If your mama can buy for your sin, who are the Benin women? Now you bring Benin women down for this social media. Now you. So they don't see all those ones. Now me that they talk to. And they talk to me, say, when the cat slave come out, now Akbekus she take famous. Akbekus, now she take famous. Blue film. A lot of them when they come out for this social media, won't know how they take comments. How many of them not do worse than I do? I don't even do anything now. I friend man. I not just as I date. Not be say I shower I go do now. We just date. We run things. Now be bad thing. Now I won't get shame for. Now man not go follow me again. Say the man tell us say na virgin I be. E kia slave wa agbe o. Wa agbe o. Maybe I will go to where many. I don't go marry man like that. Oh, but now this we go to now never you go with marriage. Now with marriage is your boy. No, at least if woman want to marriage, if man bring like 3K, woman go bring 1K. Let me say I can't use 3K to marry man. I can't use 3K to marry man. So a cat slave, we work big boy. Go and buy yourself. I'm gonna work banana mania. Or just work below turn in the social media. Although I know say na out of a trade though, na keteke no gbe work banana. I'm a na keteke no gbe work banana. Na him. I know, not be another person. So more na crab blood for all I care. More na your crab blood, my love. If they miss me, if they miss my Akbekus, it's always ready. It's always ready. I'm here. You know? No talk, say you work in vain, you don't work in vain. I'm always ready. No understand. Even if you don't marry, come and do. Not there, not down, not change, not share. I want pay you wow. Can't slave. No, I can't slave na idiot. Me I give her some more because she dey call my name. She dey call my name. Me I give her some more. She dey call my name. I don't know what I do her. I'm at here. I not use my money, marry ma. The boy not come and say I call the beggar with money. She won't talk what when he provoke me. She said I be won't use belly to hold on. Me I tell you say I get belly. I get belly. Me ham way me hama. Me hama ye. When the boy call later no say na prank, you know what he tell me? He say now you push me. I for suppose come your house for this new year. You suppose come this new year more high. Me swear say you not tell me. I just try her. When I a junkie or a Monique. As he can't call me, she they ask me questions. I just want to do me pain her. I just they talk all nonsense. And they can't still believe what come back. And they tell me I see me I get shame. No, I not get shame. Because as soon as they use my head, they eat grant. Illiterate not use their head, eat grant like that. What the other mama will enter house. Enter house. I pray me I enter house. I go enter house for now. Because now na good. Now na clear. Ekia slave must to gbeo. Ekita slave must to gbeo. Imagine that girl don't get belly is almost 1 year. Never born. You too love Frank. Ross, my sister. Not be Frank, big Bola I don't first do for my life. Not be Bola. Don't tell when I start to get to Bola. But in enjoy and shy, talk can say that my Bola be the best Bola. My Bekus na be the best Bekus we don't ever do. Click Bekus. Wait the Rican. When you did when you did you don't understand. Clean one. You don't understand. So all those idiots when they cost me. Man, when they do something, when they carry woman, come they describe for social media. Una not go pay aram. Una not go talk to them. Now me when he later come I can't defend myself and they cry puts. Oh my mama jealousy. They will say, this girl when you come, they will go check my followers, check me. They will say, she don't they follow me, she don't me go. So I can't bear. I'm not saying a jealousy. I'm not saying a jealousy. Jealousy speech. Frank, my God bless you for this popularity when you give me. At least my peko was expensive. That will not be. No, they can't my pekos. Me, I not carry my pekos got take also. Now, Ekita queen carry my pekos got also. Me, I dodge too. And they can't say me I come out of media so that me I tell you know. And the thing work well. Yes, I'm talking nonsense. Me I block you. You know they listen to nonsense. I will better. No understand. I will better. So, my people, when I know they cry, my cry. Oh, me I know they cry. Oh, today now I don't go do shopping. Come, I don't go do shopping. My every month's payment will they pay 500 in my wasa. I don't go give them. Beg you work better money. When I know they receive, so now they receive 500 euro salary. Now they pay every month. Now we take the 2 liter every month. So no just try me my well back. When I know they cry, my cry. I cry, ne? I cry, ne? Yesterday I go pay my car insurance. Money when I just spend this month pass 1,000 for just this month. I pay my car insurance 234 euro. My parking space na 30 euro they pay. Pay parking space. When I say I get responsibility, those lazy youths come here, come they hope say single mother. I know they collect single mother, not they reach me till they use so, not they reach me spend. Fuel when I they buy a month, they go 70 euro. See, say we not be mates. Not be mates every month, or just months expenses so. Picking your chop, picking your backlogs, picking your go school. I go clean up, I'll buy makeup, not be day. No husband. So just get out for myself, we not be mates. How what bear you wow? I walk what don't way. Only bring money come and do. Bring money come and do. Woman like shower where me go. Me I not they do a shower to get money. God forbid. I better run it. I don't even do a shower for this Europe. I they talk am. Oh wow. I not do. If you say I dey lie, ask my love. Ask him. That way. Never call when I big here. Nonsense. Because when I do a shower, I feel say everybody will be partner. I will not be the same. They not be the same. I make us to arrange for nonsense. I make us to arrange for nonsense. Special one, no. Me, who tell you say me I apologize to Frank? Me. Okay, they say me I apologize to Frank. Yeah, me. I go apologize to Frank for him to describe my purpose. I go really apologize for him to carry me come and they accuse me for fake account when I don't know one or two. I go really apologize for saying na me carry he has to back I go give if you know who are. Eh, if you know who are. If you know quality kia no who nobody home we kia na free bola or na ya ojo because he go in kaya we go. Ya get free no go cheap. Go and test it. Maybe what to describe in any careful later. You don't understand. You don't understand. What to describe in any no why ya home we free bola or wa mukia we free yawu. No why ya home free yawu or woo. Oh, where I mean, you ya wekia. He mean, you ya wekia. When a free bola ya na wafwe, ya bagbina neo. Ya bagbina neo. Yawu. Well, not call me. I know the pick call till I finish. Hello. Good afternoon.
Yeah, it's the guy that called you yesterday.
I'll call you back. Eh? No why ya get free bola no. Joy Peter, I did wrong. Please explain. I'm very good to apologize. If I really wrong, I will apologize. I better laugh you be. Anybody when you know I'm wrong, I go apologize. I'm that kind of person. But my apology is expensive. But if I reason and say I wrong, I go apologize. So tell me as I tell apologize, as I tell wrong. Tell me as I tell wrong. Me I go apologize. If you need to wear your own way, a free no. Oh, where again, now you again, now you again, now you so free. Why are we menacing where you work here? He menacing where you work. Imagine man not ticket. Ya me up there. You work here. On a way. I work binane. I work binane. Maybe if you open the arrow, na picture that was away ya. On what Latin don't describe where my bogboe. Wow, where would be a would be no rock. A would be Ostra kita. A kit Ostra. Then here, one boss who was someone where tea party. Then I describe who I say. Not Latin, what away fake love. No, why I hungry, no benashi. I know what you they fight for. I know what you they fight for. You don't understand. I know what you they fight for. Free a kiani, no why you always free, no? Yahoo! I am a kind. I am a kind of rock war. You have a women who will not buy it. Wow. Yahoo! I am a kind. Brother, come and do. Brother, come and do. I go pay. Come and do. I go pay. Come and do, I go pay. Ya gbe me kwa no ya amueko ne atie manan. No ya amueko ne mare okpa no mokuo. No ya amueko ne ya gbe me no mamueko, imave tete mueko yeye. Ya gbe me kwa. Ah, on your body me vo. Imagine the only woman will never go Nigeria for the 25 years. The only woman we pikin not there with. The only woman where if your book we make go because agbome mi gba wene. We wa azuo. Asuo, no who no worry ko. Where you and Frank who come at first explaining the issue. I not come at first to precious. You not go understand. Bro, say no, I dey do my content. I not like when people you know they understand. I not come at first. Wait, me I explain some more. Me and Frank never quarrel when I start my content. You never call when I but if I dey do my content, he go say na here they talk to. Okay, why you go dey feel say na here they talk to if you not do wetin resemble wetin I dey talk? Now let you want be Italy boys. Only one content when I for call in name now, I just want crush, you know. Me I just tell laugh say Frank don't come out. I can't dey lonely. I need husband too. I need new boyfriend for New Year. If you now check that video, now see and say, now just fun. I could go back here. Then the follow now they laugh. Now just fun video. Okay, I made that video. You know, not see the list. When I put for the list, say the man must get 1,500 to flex, so he must be this, so he must change my clothes, so he must do this, so when I not see and say na fun. When I not see and say na fun. Okay, cause he do another one. Italy boys. Why now only one be Italy boys? Now only one? Why you come say now here I dey talk to? If I just do any video, now here I dey talk to. Okay, well, okay, let's assume when a party Murphy, they do comedy, they do saga. A lot of people we call they use that they do comedy, okay? Reason there now. Reason now. A lot of people don't use a party to comedy. Me use that to comedy for that channel when I lost. You don't understand? For that channel when I lost, I use a party Murphy do comedy. Which comedy I do Shentro must stop. Yes. Shentro must stop. Me and one guy use that to comedy. For that channel, I'm not saying no be only that can take no video they carry for that channel. I just have to comedy tell when they fight for Shentro must stop. So why you can't be say if I can't talk now, I can't they talk to. I will tell you love, you don't love me or me, or you won't tell me. Not be even my Kpekus he describe, now he call us Kpekus now he describe. Who love, help, love day. Now he call us Kpekus he describe, not be my Kpekus. God forbid. Kpekus when he talk to my face, say, the Kpekus na oga. Kpekus he never do this kind, he don't say when he do this kind, Kpekus rich. The Kpekus they rich, if they touch a woman, they make bele. They are call, you can't come out later, say, the Kpekus no constitute. No say na anger make and talk am. No, just talk. Sometimes we don't know they take things serious. We don't know they take things serious. So that kind of person can't talk and can't say he talk to me. No, I'm not going to say na man. I be. You better na me huemu egbe. No. Egbe. So everything when you just talk, na lie. If person they quarrel, they must talk what thing go make that person face. You don't understand. So those ones when I just talk, say describe my Kpekus. Not be my Kpekus he describe. Now he call us. All those useless women when they call them. Now the Kpekus he describe. You don't understand. Now the Kpekus not be my own. You don't understand. Not be my Kpekus. You don't understand. Because he said to my face, me. If you don't say you don't do to vaga me, come and say it to the world. How my Kpekus be? My Kpekus now the one of the best. You know they run water. You know they run water. Either Wilson, may you go beg her for me. And I tell you, say now, me I don't replace her. No girl, they keep me busy. Beg who? Now you come beg me. Don't replace her for long. Talk say go beg her. Beg who? I won't beg. You know how come beg me. You look like they beg man. If I they beg man, just say how the thing will come out on media. I pray me I come beg her. Eh me? So for me to go beg, I not go beg my baby papa. I go beg her. I pray. My baby papa no, my way gbona. Yeah, but see, I am a no one lad. See, I do tell I get tell. Cost my children, cost my family. And I go beg her. I'll go beg her. Two-Face. Igbola Kori Igbola. I'll go. I tell road. If I drop now, I'll go beg her. Help me beg her. Help me beg her. Yes, so if you block, you don't block your life, my sister. True more they talk to not be woman. Yes. Not be woman. So all those ones say go beg her. Either or you're trying to talk her. I know they beg you, replace her any. Better one for that matter. Reason. Get people they keep me busy. So all those ones when I use talking, not they tell my ear. I not call your name, okay. And they do like all those people when they do comedy for Facebook. Now person that they talk to. Now person that they talk to. We pay the money. Now how many people use and do comedy? You don't buy. When you come be say, I call just now today I enter Europe. Now only one I don't follow. When you come be say, nah, I can't feel say if I do anything. Not be even this saga give me view for Proud Moody TV. Now those commenting, funny talk, you know. Now draw people attention to me. Not be him. You don't understand. Not be him. Not be him. Not be him. Now saga they like. People they like what it go make them laugh. People they like what it go make them laugh. And me and a planner say now what you want they do be that. As he come Benny head, now I start my own. So he call the fee say, my man they tell me say na jealousy. As he Benny head, I start my own because me, I be that kind of woman where you know they wait for me to do something. Yes. I know they wait for me before I do something. Man, no fit check out for me. I go do it without you. You don't understand. As he Benny head, I start my things. I sure say not that jealousy for him. Now if he say without him, I don't fit do anything. You don't understand. I don't fit do anything. I don't want to provoke him. Because he not do everything when I talk for the video. So why could the fee say I hear they talk to? Why? 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 So now that whole things, and because they accuse me saying I go give a guitar of Ostra picture. Okay, get like me. God they shall not cause again. If I know one, not two, God they. If you say na me, I go bring a yellow paper. I go swear. I go swear. I go swear. Not be me. I don't know one, not two. Now I make if you must of you. Not be me give a picture. Not be me. Maybe that one go call them. You know, when I don't say I said there a lot of others presenters. A lot to not be all. Some useless. Some useless. Maybe now if you do underground work for all these things. If she can tell Frank, say, na me give her a picture, that means now she they do everything. Now she. Not be me, oh. Yeah, back on. If they bring anything, we go keep us today. I go feel swear, say, not be me. I know. No, not call me Elder Wilson. Not call me. I don't need call. I don't need call. Me, I drop my number, but I don't need call. Now, if you do everything, and she come, they carry my talk, saying, and me, those times when you think they do those things, I know they get time, oh. And they create content. I don't know why they go to talk, saying, I mean, they use fake account. I mean, they use fake account. If you be saying people, I want to tell, but for me, not be me. Not be me. Not be me. If it be saying of people when I tell, if it be underground work. Now make this social media, they don't fit catch me. They don't fit catch me because I get sense. They say, okay, they won't post it talk one thing when they provoke me. They say, let me go call for a enemy platform. When I call Enoge, when I call Bros Enoge, I not say that. So say me, I know they call her Bros. Everybody in a Bros for where I dey. You don't understand. When I call Bros Enoge, what I talk they bad? You know they say Frank they cost me for live video. Now when they talk say I miss that time. What I tell I say I know year. Me I fair year and first. Now what I talk, I not talk anything, but when I go watch the first video. I say I not believe. I not believe. Unless when I know they follow them. I say I not believe. Because the food when he eat from my house, he go pay. And I say no. Food from no person shop, na shit, he hear person carry. So why not they blame me saying I meet starter now? I not be that kind of stupid woman. I not be stupid woman. I not stupid. You don't understand? All these things where they accuse me for, I don't know one. Okay, if you go check Vera platform, now my real account, I take comments. That mad woman when he did Munich, now my real account, I take comments. Oh, anywhere waiting for you. So even this, una partner in crime, now my real account, I take comment. One a coffee say, I mean, they just fake account, they comment for their platform. Why? I'm not the use fake account, my real account. I'm not the fear to the fuck Nash. You know that I'm not the fear to the fuck Nash. Someone are not reasoner again. I'm not reasoner. Not be me. I'm not the two. I'm not the fear person. Wait till I not fit talk for your front. I not fit talk for your back. So not be me. All those allegations when they say Ivie talk, say na me give am picture. Ivie won't just use and enter their body. Not be me. Amen. Ona amen. Nije you know it damn say yati e boyo. Not be me. So when I believe me, when I not believe me, but God Almighty no say not be me. I don't know one, I don't know two. But the fools was really thinking it was me. But I know say I tell 2, 3, 4 friends what's happen. But maybe, and those ones they close to that Ekita. Maybe not them. But for me, not be me. When this the boy when they describe Unakmekus can't talk, I can't go find the video where they say I forgot give the girl the information. Before I can't know what they happen, I don't know what they happen for social media. As they say they insult themselves. Now people they tell me people when they insult me, how they come forward them one by one. I know they watch them because I normal no we are me time away. I don't get time. I'll cause you sit down. Me when they be content creator, I'll never think of what I want to take care of my children. I'll call they sit down, they watch 100 people, they cause themselves. No. Even this one they talk, so me now people call me say, go see what's in this boy for me. Now make me comment. Now make me come back, come is reply him. Make that's when they talk, say social media. Okay, before I call social media, which gang I did if I be social media person? I did YouTube, I don't get side when I did. I be blogger. So those allegations, please. I don't know one, I don't know two. Okay? So I will be coming out for hook up later in the evening for Proud Mom Gist TV 1. If you never follow the page, I beg my people, more than share my video, more than follow. Now there, we talk about a lot of things, funny things. Not be every time we take the listen to or go kill you or go buy or this. No, not be every time. You don't understand. We dey lecture ourselves. Tell you single mother don't make mistake. How we take be a better woman. You know, talk funny things. Just have fun. No me reya we mi agba me reya listen to him no we are nekaj. Did Ivie really have the picture of the cassava? No. So those ones so that they talk. No, I don't know one, I don't know two. I don't forget that for long. The matter know me, but that allegation where they say I me go give the Ivie picture, not be me. Not be me. I know say I get friends when they be YouTuber. I don't know where what the team for they come. Next time, not follow any social media presenter. If I still love anyone when it gets, it's not be your stupid, bros. Anyone when I don't know which other single social media presenter there ESF I won't follow. Well, before I even know Frank, I know they into public, but I did YouTube. You don't understand? I did YouTube. You don't understand? I did YouTube, but I know they but now carry me to Facebook. You don't understand? So my people, I go supermarket, I go do shop. You know, say today on Saturday. I forgot to buy hot dog. I go buy my children things when they eat. So I'll go make their food now so that I'll feel enter live. Now 8 o'clock I'll enter live video because I want me I put my children to bed first so that I will feel they stay long. If I don't put them to bed, the time I'll cut finish around 11 too late. Children, weekend my children they sleep highest 9, but better say now live video I won't enter. I feel put them for 8 o'clock today. They go dead their bed until they won't sleep. You know that's about ordinary days. On Monday now they start school, so they need to they sleep 8 o'clock. After that, I don't put them for sleep. Now they do my wake up for nights. So wanna follow me on Proud Mom Gist TV 1. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel for YouTube, Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My backup YouTube, I got another backup YouTube when I newly open. In case there's still 4-1, me I got another one when I want to start. To say I not get 2, as the 4-1, I for start for 0. You know, say I say good me person they get 2 plan. You know understand? Now 2 YouTube I get. Now only 1 the 4. I get another one. That one is going to 5,000 now. Wanna go support me by subscribing to Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Follow my new YouTube. Proud Mom the Lioness TV. You know understand? Proud Mom the Lioness TV. Wanna go support me by subscribing to Dell. Then we push on to 1K God bless you all for watching. See you guys in the evening. Not follow Enoke too fine. When I know they call name for year, we not take there for year, man. We are not saying that for my good. God bless you all for your advice. I understand, but when I know they call, if I not say if I come for topic, when I call they call the name, you'll be like they distract. You don't understand. God bless you. I beg when I go subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my page, Proud Mom G. Follow this page, the Fearless Proud Mom Talk Show. Proud Mom Gist TV 1 for the other of my page. That one the fast, that one the group. People they follow that page there. That one could even go far now. Maybe before next tomorrow go reach 10K when I go follow that page. God bless you all. See you guys. See you guys later. Bye bye.